For today's video, I will show you how to win Temu Fishland. So, let's begin. So, the first thing we need to do is to get the Temu app to enjoy and participate on how to win the Fishland. So, you can get Temu app on Google Play or download on the App Store. Now, if you're not comfortable doing that, just hover here at temu.org and register for free. Sign up. And once you have your account ready, log in using your credentials. So, this is how to take free item from the Fishland game from Temu. Basically, Fishland is a popular mobile game app available on both iOS and Android platforms. It is developed and published by the company Cheetah Mobile, and Fishland allows players to build their own aquarium, decorate it, breed various kinds of fishes, complete quests and challenges, and even visit their friends in aquarium. Now, the game has also various in-app purchase options to help speed up progress, but it's still largely playable without spending any money. And as we all know, Temu is an e-commerce marketplace app that often provides special offers and coupons for free in-game items for various games, including Fishland. Alright, so here's a complete thorough tips and tips as well on how to play Fishland game, and most importantly, how to get free items and speed up progress using Temu app. Alright, so the first step is obviously to download and install the Fishland game. If you haven't done so, do it now on your mobile device. Alright, on Android device, open the Google Play Store app and search for Fishland, and on an iPhone or iPad, open the App Store, search for Fishland. Especially tap on the Get button for the app by Cheetah Mobile. The app is free to download and install. It will take a few minutes for the app to get downloaded and installed on your device, and make sure you have a stable internet connection during the installation. And of course, once installed, you can open the Fishland app from your device's home screen or app drawer. Alright, so here are some basic gameplay mechanics. So Fishland gameplay involves the following key activities: setting up your aquarium, feeding and caring for fishes, breeding fishes, completing quests, and of course, visiting friends and sending gifts. Alright? Okay, so after knowing the basics of how Fishland works, alright, downloading and signing up on Temu. First, when you download the Temu app on your device, it is available again on both Android and iOS platforms. And once again, you can download on Android devices, Google Play Store, on iPhone and iPad, download from the App Store. And once installed, open the Temu app and sign up with your phone number or email address and complete the quick verification process. So finding Fishland game offer in Temu, simply open the Temu app, and you need to tap on the Lucky Draw tab at the bottom. Scroll down and look for the Fishland offer. It will usually be under the Game Zone section. The offer will mention for the free item. Alright, for example, the offer may read, get 100 gems in Fishlands for 20 Temu coins. The free gift changes periodically. Now, collecting Temu coins before you can redeem the Fishland offer, you need to collect Temu coins. Alright, again, open the app daily and collect the free check-in coin from the Lucky Draw section. Browse and engage with Temu Feed and Store products to get more coins. Play mini games and complete tasks on the app. Convert your stuff into Temu coins using the built-in pedometer. Refer your friends to Temu app via invite code and get coins when they join. Of course, you can participate in giveaways, contests, and seasonal events in the app for more coins. Now, redeeming the Fishland offer. Again, once you have collected enough Temu coins, go back to the Lucky Draw tab and look for the Fishland offer again. Tap Use on the offer, and then tap Convert to redeem your Temu coins, and follow the instructions to link your Fishland account. The free Fishland gift will be automatically credited to your account. Alright, you can also speed up your progress with free items. Free gems lets you instantly finish aquarium upgrades and unlocks new decors. Coins help you purchase more food, medicine, and better equipment. And expensive rare fish eggs can be hatched without waiting. And more food means you can feed fish faster and attempt to breed more species. Medicine lets you instantly treat sick fish that may be blocking a quest. Alright? Okay, so here are some few quick Tips and tricks for new players: you have to complete the tutorial quest, upgrade your aquarium fast, you need to observe your fish needs, create an efficient layout, complete daily tasks. Of course, you need to visit friends regularly. So basically, Fishland is an entertaining and relaxing aquarium simulation game that allows players to create unique underwater worlds while it contains in-app purchases. You can also progress freely using the tips outlined on our video earlier. And more importantly, leveraging the free gifts delivered through the Temu app provides a legitimate way to speed up your fishing experience at no extra cost. So download Fishland, set up your dream aquarium, care for cute fish, and use Temu regularly to get free items and unblock new discoveries. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much, guys.